The biggest losses in banking don't come from credit. They don't come from markets. They don't even come from operations. They come from the space in between. The place your risk reports don't cover, but your losses live in. In banking, some of the most dangerous losses have an identity problem. They don't belong to one risk type. They sit at the boundary. A boundary event occurs when a single loss crosses disciplines, where credit, market, and operational risk overlap. Basel is clear. A loss must sit in one capital category. But the cause of that loss may sit somewhere else. And if you miss that, you fix the wrong risk. If an operational failure results in a credit loss, and that loss is captured in credit risk, it is treated as credit risk for capital. And it is not double counted in operational risk. But the cause of that loss may still be operational. Because the default is the outcome, not the failure. If an operational failure creates a trading loss, it is treated as operational risk for capital. Because the loss originates from a control failure, not a market position. If the loss comes from fraud, like identity theft, it is treated as operational risk. Unless it is already captured in credit risk. Because the failure is not credit judgment. It's a breakdown in process or control. Get this wrong, and you don't just misreport risk. You hold the wrong capital. You fix the wrong problem. And regulators start questioning your entire framework. A boundary event is not just a classification issue, it is where risk becomes invisible. Let's make this real. A fraudster steals identity through phishing. A loan is approved. Loss, $10,000. The system records it as a credit default. But this was never a credit problem. The borrower didn't fail, your controls did. This is a boundary event. The loss sits in credit. But the cause sits in operational risk. For capital, it stays in credit. But if you don't flag the operational cause, you fix the wrong risk. Inside your operational data, there's another failure. I call it a data puddle. The same event gets labeled differently. One team calls it an execution error. Another calls it a system failure. Now your data isn't just messy, it's contradictory. And if your labels aren't consistent, your trends aren't real. Then comes the silent failure, thresholds. 5 small losses. Individually invisible. Together. Large enough to trigger a review. This is why the biggest losses don't appear inside categories. They appear between them. Each function sees its piece. No one sees the system. Credit sees defaults. Operations sees incidents. Market sees volatility. But the failure is structural. When no one owns the boundary, no one manages the risk. To fix this, you need 3 things: complete capture, objective classification, root cause clarity. Because in banking, what you misclassify today becomes your loss tomorrow.